This is day 0 of our 8-day biking tour through the Swiss Lakes district. This wasn't part of an organized tour, we just brought our bikes on the plane with us in a cardboard box. As long as our bike box was under 50 pounds, it didn't cost any extra flying with United. I found cardboard boxes are the lightest box option. I brought 2 panniers. One converts to a backpack, which is great for navigating through the airport and grocery shopping. I flew from San Francisco to Zurich, and my bike box arrived completely unscathed. We arrived at noon and used the airport luggage carts to transport our bike boxes to the Hyatt across the street. It took us about half an hour to assemble our bikes. The hotel is storing our bike boxes for free for the duration of our trip. We had a wonderful stay here, and I would highly recommend it. We took a quick power nap, and it was around 4:30 when we went out to explore for the first time. You can literally bike out of the airport and hop straight onto a bike trail. It's amazing.
That's a nice bike path, right to the airport.
Oh, it's actually rollerblade Route 44. We're starting out on Swiss Route 5 and making our way to the old town of Zurich. GPX and Strava Routes are in the description below. My GPS looks like it needs a reboot because it's just spinning in circles. Overall, we were impressed with the cycling infrastructure. There's lots of signage and beautiful scenery everywhere. Zurich seems like a really lively city. There were concerts going on and little music festivals everywhere. Where are we, Jen? We passed this weirdly branded hot tub.
Buttholes.
Shalom.
We continued biking and kind of marveled that 20 minutes ago we were in the hustle and bustle of an airport, and now we were out in the middle of nature in a little Swiss mountain town and found an amazing place to have dinner. I feel like we were pretty lucky to stumble across this place. It really seemed off the beaten path, and the food was excellent. Is that like a methane recovery or something? This video is just going to be us breathing hard. For the first day or two, it took us a while to get acclimated to climbing mountains again with a fully loaded touring bike. But by the end of the trip, man, we felt amazing. You escaped from prison? This is the new bike tunnel that just opened under the Zurich Hauptbahnhof at the cost of 40 million euros. Considering we just arrived earlier in the day, we stayed out until about 9:30 and it was a pretty fun night. I have our routes and my webpage linked in the description below if you wanted more information. Thanks again for watching.